मैं थी जो लेना ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च करने की एंड इधर आई हैव अ शॉपिंग प्रॉब्लम और आई हैव अ इयरिंग्स प्रॉब्लम. लीव मी अलोन विथ मनी इन माई अकाउंट. इयरिंग नंबर 1. Hello, we are here for an event and I'm going to show you what, but basically we are here for Impulse Coffees, which is Sara Sarosh, the influencer, her brand, and it's their 3rd year celebration, so we're here for that. I'm going to take you as much as I can, but I can't promise. So let's see. Oh my god, you're really tall. That's everybody's first reaction. See you out here and this is the best reference anybody gives. My favorite. Like that is the representation. Somebody I relate. In Meghalaya, I was having like a full Moana moment. Like that. I really get it. So much excited. But I finished traveling. When I should
Go meet everyone. Go. Yeah, now do that.
ये वो शादी में
दोस्तों हमको थोड़ा जगह रेडी फ्लाइट है वो बताएगा
ओके बोला नहीं Ladies, firstly, thank you so much for I always say that. Thank you so much for coming all the way because I know you'll have come इतना दूर से कितने लोग कितना travel करके आए हैं and I honestly like when I told Bonaka I was like let's reveal the location. We don't know who will come. Like not everybody will join. She's like no Sara, we can't do that. People will come. People are coming. You just don't reveal the location because we had a camp. It's crazy to me that it's been 3 years that we started this brand. It's crazy to me that it's been more than 7 years that I'm creating content. Like sometimes I look back and can't even like I'm living a life which is a dream. I can tell you that. I never thought I've started from scratch and मतलब मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा था यार कि मैं ब्रांड भी स्टार्ट करूँगी. लाइक पापा बोलते बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर ले लाइक नहीं मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे माई स्ट्रीम माई लाइन वॉज नेवर दिस. आई took a chance, lots of chances upon a lot of things and every step of the way the only motive has to bring good stuff to the table. Create videos, अच्छा डालूंगी, जो भी डालूंगी अच्छा डालूंगी. I know गलतियाँ हुई है लाइफ में, छोटी हूँ, बहुत बार गलतियाँ हुई है. I'm also growing, I'm also learning, but I'm grateful that y'all are stuck by. So many of y'all are here and the brand is so big today. So many team members. Firstly, I want to thank the present team today, and huge cheers to them because they handled. Like उन्होंने इतना देखा है ना लास्ट 4-5 महीनों में जो हमारे साथ लगे. At the brand front, 2 hands are never enough, and those 2 hands have handled everything. Plus, of course, the supporting staff, मम्मा, मम्मी, अमित, राज, जब भी लोग चाहिए होते तो सब आ जाते हैं हमको हेल्प करने के लिए. वो तहस नहीं आता. Sabrina and Anupriya are here from the past Impulse Coffees team, who are also very very core. Because जब हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था, we didn't even know हम क्या कर रहे थे. You know, it was like one order, और हम सीख रहे थे कि हाँ ठीक है, ये गलतियाँ हो सकती है, ये प्रोसेस होता है, ये ऐसा होता है, ये वैसा होता है. So it's a whole new world, a whole new universe. We've learned a lot along the way. I'm grateful that Anu is here today. I'm grateful to Payal and all the other ex-team members who are not here also today. It's a weekday, so everybody has other responsibilities, which I totally understand. But I'm grateful, and of course Sharon. I will not let Sharon Sharon and Pooja are of course the reason that I can stand here and create content every single day. So thank you to everyone who's here. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful every single day of my life because of you all. Yeah, we're completing the thing. अब इसके लिए चाकू नहीं दिया. Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
नहीं आगे किसी को आगे
And jubilation. मेरी माँ को आता है. That is
कॉमन आ रहा था
कुछ more better. कब से? Congratulations, mother, for putting up with me. मेरा ब्रांड स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ कॉफी का. तो मेरे को फोटो शूट करके चलेंगे. कितना लेगा तू? This is my box. राज का
सबसे ऊपर
I've just been randomly vlogging and I'm in the washroom now because I want to write a little note on a little painting that I'm gifting Sarah. And I don't know why I'm shaking. I was standing in the line for photos, but I don't know. But yeah, here we are. Packaging was very last minute.
फिर भी तगड़ी है. उनको नहीं देखा. I love the representation. So nice.
मैं थीम सोच रही थी कि आपकी कौन से बैकग्राउंड के साथ जा सकता था नाज, लेकिन सो के got done with the meet and greet. It was cute, it was fun. There's too much noise, but Mumbai is being dug everywhere, so cannot do anything about that. I am thinking, I didn't even speak so much during the vlog, but anyways, I vlog and then I don't edit I say this also in every vlog, doesn't matter. I'm thinking to go on a solo date, which I've been wanting to do for a long time. And I've anyways not eaten food. I had breakfast at 10ish. So I'm thinking I'll go have a lunch date. And yeah, but now I need to find where, what, how. So let's do that. I'm loving my outfit. It didn't come out well in the pictures that I clicked with her. But what to do now? I took few of my solo pictures. Let's see. Almost 6-7 months ago, when I was in college, I used to feel so confident. I used to just randomly go alone, eat, do whatever. And I'm feeling so awkward because it's been that long since I went out with just myself. Yeah, feels weird. Very, very, very weird. I'm in the absolute mood of going and sitting in a cafe, but I can't find one. I mean, I'm familiar with the area, but I'm just walking to see what we get on the way. Because then if I choose something specific and then I go searching, I think I might either land up at McDonald's or Starbucks, which I think so. It looks like one of those two, but let's see. What I was vlogging and then I remembered. So now I just took the clip. I've called for stuffed. I was actually very dicey about. I was going to get up and leave because one, like each pizza is for 1300. Two, I thought of going for burgers, but they didn't have it. So now I'm here with stuffed garlic bread because I know my stomach will fill, but I was still hesitating. But here we are. I don't even know what this vlog is. There are too many bell peppers, but let's just taste test. Haven't reached the filling yet, so let's see. Not happy with the food. Should have gone to McDonald's, but चुल है ना ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च करने की. Yeah, I'm out of there. That also I just took one stuffed garlic bread as I told you. You saw the video. I had 2 pieces. The third one also I passed it for home. So now let's see. Why do I every clip I've shot in this vlog at the end I've said let's see, but there's nothing to see. Now I've left from there and I'm going to go home. What else is there to see in that? Yeah. I have a very serious shopping problem, guys. I was walking on the way to take the cab and then I saw a earrings guy. And either I have a shopping problem or I have a earrings problem. And I ended up taking 11 earrings. I mean, one set of 9. I'm not that crazy. One set of 9 and 2 separate for 250, which is, I don't know. At this point, I can't even justify anything. But I'm here now. So now instead of going home, I'm going to shop more, which I was going to do in January before my birthday anyways. So now I'm going to see if I get anything. And आज खर्चा होने वाला है. Already हो चुका है, but I have a problem. Leave me alone with money in my account and I have a problem. Earring number 1.